Hi, this is Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. Today I'm going to show you how to make cage component. I torched 6 20 gauge wire about 7 inches long for this project. Be careful, they're very hot. You can quench it in the water. You can use any elongated bead for this project, also drilled or non-drilled. But to show it easy on camera, I will use drilled. I tend to use 4 feet of 24 gauge for making one twist wire. You fold together two ends before you put them in your drill. Secure. And then you use at the other end, you secure it nicely, hold, and then the other end you use your tool. I will show you how. See, that's those two wires, and you hold it this end with any tool. Just hold and then start using the drill. Twist. It's very quick. You can quickly make any tens. This could be more or less if you like it, like those little tiny swirls. That's how it's supposed to look. Now spread your wires evenly and thread your bead on one of the wires. And let's start weaving. I fold my twisted wire in half, put on one of the wires, and all you have to do now, go through each wire under and over. See, like under, over, take another wire, go again under and over, and you keep switching. All you have to care about destination between wires, they have to be equally spaced. That's all. When you cover completely your bead, you tie everything together, straighten the ends, and just tie it very tightly with one of the wire with twisted. Depends how long you want to be, but mine is like 6-7 wraps. Cut. I like also twist inside wires too, so they look a little bit organic. So you can play with that. You can leave them straight. You can also a little bit like twist, like I did. Now we can do this because later, when you finish the project, you will not be able to use any wires from the top. Now we can just gently twist, and you can use those axes that you will cut later for this component. To finish the project, I take one jump ring, I make them myself. So for reference, I will show you the size. It's about any jump ring. I like a little bit bigger size. You thread them. See how that's how I finish. So you can put them one jump ring on all of the wires, all 6 of them. Spread them again equally, only 5s, because you wanted the middle one for your bail. So you spread only 5. And I will cut them. Equally, like they will be the same size, each one. Yeah, that looks about right. And you cut. Then you simply fold each wire under your jump ring. After you cut all 5 of them, same. You just fold them. That's it. And you make the bail from the wire that is in the middle. You make a small bail, because then later you will use it in your design. So you need a little something to hang from the chain, or like handmade components or links. Around nose pliers. And I make usually 2 wraps. And then tie it around one base wire. Cut. Correct if you need to, so it will be in the middle. Cut and tuck the wire in, so won't catch on any clothes. And your element basically done. And here is some more ideas. I also use angel stones too. You can use whatever pebbles you can find. You can put 7 different stones inside as a chakra necklace, whatever you like. I hope you learned something from my video. Please subscribe and like, and thank you for watching.